Good morning, Papa. Mama, today let's wake up those strong legs again. Are your legs starting to feel weaker? Maybe climbing stairs feels heavier than it used to, or your knees ache after just a short walk? You're not alone. Most people over 50 begin to lose leg strength without realizing it. I used to think daily walking was enough until my hips started to complain. The truth is, many of us overwork our joints with the wrong movements and slowly wear them down. But here's the good news. You don't need a gym, machines, or long workouts to rebuild your strength. In today's senior wellness session, I'll show you gentle, isometric exercises, proven techniques that physical therapists recommend in Japan and Europe that strengthen your legs without stressing your knees. Science shows that after 50, we lose up to 5% of muscle each decade. Yet studies confirm isometric training can restore strength by 20% in just weeks. Before we start, do me one small favor, give this video a like, and comment the letter C below to commit to stronger legs. And most importantly, don't skip any part of this video because you might miss the step that changes everything. Exercise 1. Wall-supported chair hold. Papa, Mama, this first move may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to rebuild your leg strength safely right at home. Many older adults notice that standing up or climbing stairs feels harder than before. It's not weakness, it's simply that the muscles supporting the knees and hips haven't been properly awakened in a long time. One of our senior wellness friends once shared, "When I first tried this wall chair hold, my legs shook after just 10 seconds. But a week later, I could rise from my chair without using my hands." That quiet progress is exactly what this movement is designed for. Slow, steady strength that rebuilds your confidence. Here's how to do it. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 18 inches away. Slowly slide down until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your knees directly above your ankles, not past your toes, and tighten your core. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing steadily. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat 3 times. If you're just starting, begin with 10-15 seconds and gradually increase. Even holding halfway is progress. What matters most is control and consistency. A quick tip, gently press your lower back into the wall. This engages your core and improves posture. If your knees ache, don't slide too low comfort first, always. Research from the Journal of Strength and Conditioning, research found that simple isometric holds like this can increase muscle strength by up to 20% in 6 weeks, even for adults over 60. That means more stability, less knee strain, and more freedom in every step you take. Papa, Mama, every second you hold this position is a quiet victory. You're not just training your legs, you're reminding your body that it can still stand tall, steady, and strong. Let's keep that feeling going as we move to the next gentle exercise, one that awakens the calves and restores balance with every hold. Exercice 2, standing calf hold. Papa, Mama, this next move is small, but it carries a big purpose. The standing calf hold strengthens the muscles that keep you steady on your feet. Many people overlook their calves, yet they are the quiet heroes that help you balance, walk smoothly, and push off the ground with strength. I remember a sweet moment from one of our senior wellness sessions. A gentle papa shared that he often felt unsteady when walking on uneven ground and even had calf cramps at night. After practicing this exercise daily for a week, he said, "My steps feel lighter now, I don't wobble anymore." That's how powerful gentle consistency can be. Here's how to do it. Stand facing a wall with your feet hip-width apart. Place your hands lightly on the wall for balance. Rise up slowly onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you comfortably can. Keep your legs straight but not locked, and focus on squeezing your calf muscles. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing evenly. Then, lower your heels back down slowly, rest for 30 seconds, and repeat 3 times. If you're just starting, begin with 10-15 seconds per hold. The goal is not to rush, it's to stay steady and controlled. You'll soon feel the warmth in your calves, the kind that says your muscles are waking up. A helpful tip, imagine pressing gently through your big toes while keeping your body tall. This activates the entire lower leg and helps you maintain better posture. If you feel wobbly, lightly, keep your fingertips on the wall, stability comes first. Research from the American College of Sports Medicine shows that strengthening the calves can improve walking efficiency by up to 15% in older adults. Strong calves also boost circulation, helping prevent those nighttime cramps and swelling that often come with age. Papa, Mama, every rise you make here is a message to your body that balance can be trained and strength can return at any age. These few seconds on your toes rebuild confidence in every step you take. Now, let's continue together with the next movement, one that strengthens your hips and supports your lower back from the ground up. Exercise 3, Glute Bridge Hold. Papa, Mama, this next movement is gentle, safe, and deeply effective. The glute bridge hold targets your hips, glutes, and hamstrings, the powerful muscles that help you stand tall, walk longer, and protect your lower back. After age 50, many people begin to feel tightness or discomfort in their back and hips, not because of age alone, but because these muscles have grown inactive from sitting too much. One mama in our senior wellness community once shared that after long afternoons of sitting, she often felt stiffness across her lower back. But after just a week of doing this bridge hold daily, she said, "I can finally stand up without that ache." It's amazing how small, consistent effort can restore both strength and comfort. Here's how to do it. Lie down on your back on a yoga mat or carpeted floor. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground, hip-width apart. Your feet should be about 12 inches from your hips. Place your arms by your sides, palms facing down for support. Now, gently tighten your core and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Don't arch your back, keep it neutral. Squeeze your glutes and hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Breathing slowly and steadily, lower your hips back to the floor with control. Rest for 30 seconds, then repeat 3 times. If you're new to this, start with 10-15 seconds per hold and build up gradually. The goal isn't to lift high, it's to engage the right muscles. Even a small lift done correctly can bring big results. A helpful tip: imagine you're gently pinching a coin between your glutes at the top of the hold. This helps you activate the right muscles without straining your back. If your lower back feels tense, don't lift too high. Focus on control, not range. Research published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science found that glute strengthening can reduce lower back pain by up to 25% in older adults. These muscles act like your body's natural support belt. When they're strong, everything from standing to walking becomes easier and steadier. Papa, Mama, every gentle lift in this exercise is a quiet reminder your strength is still there, waiting to be awakened. With each hold, you're not just easing pain, you're reclaiming power and balance in your everyday movement. Now, let's move on to the next exercise that helps you stay steady from side to side, the side leg hold. Exercise 4, side leg hold. Papa, Mama, this next exercise focuses on something we often overlook: side-to-side strength. The side leg hold targets the muscles around your outer hips and thighs, which are essential for balance, stability, and confident movement. When these muscles weaken, simple actions like stepping out of the car or sidestepping around furniture can suddenly feel unsteady. One papa in our senior wellness family once told us, "I realized I always stumbled a little when moving sideways. I never trained those muscles." After practicing this movement daily for a week, he said with a smile, "Now I can step sideways without wobbling." That's the beauty of this simple hold. It restores quiet control to every motion. Here's how to do it. Stand beside a wall or sturdy chair for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart and your posture upright. Gently lift your right leg out to the side as high as feels comfortable. Keep your toes facing forward, not upward, and avoid twisting your body. You should feel tension in your outer thigh and hip. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing slowly. Then, lower your leg back down with control. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times on each side. If you're just starting, it's perfectly fine to lift your leg only a few inches. Over time, your hip muscles will strengthen, and you'll notice smoother, steadier movements in daily life. A helpful tip: keep your standing leg slightly bent instead of locked. This protects your knee and activates your core. You can imagine gently pushing your lifted leg against invisible resistance. That mental focus helps engage the right muscles. A study in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that strengthening the hip abductors, the very muscles used here, can improve balance by up to 20% in older adults. Strong outer hips also reduce the risk of falls and help you stay mobile and independent for longer. Papa, Mama, every small lift here is a reminder that stability is built, not lost. Even just a few seconds of steady holding teaches your body to trust itself again. So, take your time, breathe deeply, and move with grace. You're not just training your legs, you're training your balance, your confidence, and your calm. Now, let's continue with the next movement, one that strengthens the back of your legs and brings even greater support to your knees and hips, the hamstring curl hold. Exercise 5, hamstring curl hold. Papa, mama, this next movement may look small, but it works wonders for the back of your legs, the hamstrings. These are the long, powerful muscles that help you bend your knees, climb stairs, and walk with confidence. When they weaken, your legs can feel stiff, your knees less supported, and even sitting or standing for long periods may bring discomfort. One mama in our senior wellness community once said, "I didn't realize how tight my legs were until I tried this." After just a few days of gentle practice, she noticed she could bend down and get up more easily, and that lingering stiffness behind her knees began to fade. This hold helps awaken strength in one of the body's most overlooked areas. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall for balance. Keep your posture tall and your feet hip-width apart. Gently bend your right knee, lifting your heel toward your glutes as if you were trying to touch them. Pause when you feel your hamstring engage. You don't need to go high. Hold that position for 15 to 20 seconds, keeping your core firm and your standing legs slightly bent. Then, slowly lower your foot back down. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times per side. If this feels difficult at first, start with shorter holds. Even 10 seconds is enough. The goal is to feel steady and in control, not to force movement. Over time, you'll notice your knees feel more supported and your steps more confident. A helpful tip: imagine squeezing a small ball behind your knee while holding the position. This mental image helps engage the hamstrings more deeply and ensures proper activation without strain. If balance feels tricky, keep one hand resting lightly on a chair for stability. Research from the Journal of Sports Science shows that strengthening the hamstrings can improve knee stability and reduce the risk of injury by up to 30% in older adults. Strong hamstrings also help support your posture, preventing that slow rounding of the back that comes with tight or weak leg muscles. Papa, mama, each small lift here is more than just a stretch. It's a gentle promise to your body that you're taking care of it. Every repetition builds trust between your muscles and your mind. Take it slow, breathe through it, and let every hold remind you. Your strength is still there, waiting to serve you each step of the way. Now, let's move on to the final exercise, one that brings all this strength together. The isometric squat hold. Exercise 6, isometric squat hold. Papa, mama, this final movement brings everything together. The isometric squat hold is a full lower body exercise that strengthens your thighs, glutes, hamstrings, and even your core, the foundation of steady movement. It's a gentle yet powerful way to teach your body how to stand, lift, and move with confidence again. Many of our senior wellness friends used to avoid squats because of knee pain. But when they tried this isometric version, no fast bending, no jumping, just holding with control, everything changed. One papa said, "For the first time, I could squat down to pick something up without my knees complaining." That's what makes this move special. It trains strength without strain. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned outward. Keep your chest tall and your hands in front of you for balance. Slowly lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair. Stop when your thighs are as close to parallel with the floor as feels comfortable, and hold that position. Keep your knees directly above your ankles, not past your toes. Tighten your core and breathe steadily. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then rise slowly to stand. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. If you're just starting, begin with 10-15 seconds per hold. It's perfectly fine to stay higher. Even a small bend still activates your leg muscles. The key is to feel steady, not strained. Over time, you'll notice that standing up, climbing stairs, or even getting out of a chair feels smoother and stronger. A helpful tip: keep your weight in your heels, not your toes. This protects your knees and ensures your glutes do the work. You can also imagine gently pushing the ground away from you while holding that mental focus helps your body stay engaged and balanced. A study from the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that isometric squats can increase lower body strength by 15% in just 4 weeks, even in older adults. This kind of improvement means more freedom, better posture, and less fear of falling. Papa, mama, this is your victory move. the one that unites everything you've built through the previous exercises. Each hold reminds your body that it's capable, grounded, and strong. Take pride in how far you've come. You've just completed all 6 movements, gentle, joint-friendly exercises that help you move freely and live confidently every day. Now, take a deep breath and feel that quiet strength returning to your legs. It's yours to keep. Papa, Mama, you might be wondering why these quiet little holds work so well. The answer is simple. Isometric exercises build deep, stable strength without straining your joints. Instead of moving quickly, you hold steady tension in your muscles. That tension signals your body to grow stronger, improve blood flow, and support your joints naturally. It's strength built through stillness, the kind your body can keep for life. To make the most of it, try doing all 6 movements as a gentle circuit. Complete each exercise once, rest for 1 minute, and then repeat the whole set 2 more times. You'll only need about 10 minutes a day, 4 or 5 days each week. Many Papa and Mama in our community love doing this while waiting for their morning coffee to brew or during TV time in the evening. It's easy, consistent, and deeply effective. And don't forget, good movement needs good fuel. After 50, protein becomes your best friend for muscle recovery. Try to include eggs, fish, beans, or chicken with each meal. Drink plenty of water, about 8 glasses a day, to keep your muscles flexible and prevent cramps. Small daily habits like this multiply the benefits of your exercise routine and help you feel more energetic throughout the day. Gentle strength, daily movement, steady nourishment, that's the true senior wellness way. Papa, Mama, you've done it. 6 simple, joint-friendly exercises that rebuild your legs from the ground up. Feel stronger, steadier, and more confident with every step you take. Thank you for watching and for showing up for yourself today. If this video gave you hope, give it a like. Share it with another Papa or Mama who deserves to feel alive again. And do me one small favor, comment the letter C below to affirm this together. My second heart is awake. My strength is returning. Your commitment matters. Your voice matters. And every comment builds this growing circle of strong, steady, hopeful lives.